Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. Got a YouTube video for you today of this beautiful 1981 John Deere 4240 tractor with 5,509 hours on it, power shift, sold on a small farm auction September 7th, 2013 in north central Ohio. The sale was by my friends with United Country Walton Realty and Auction. Let's go to the highlights now.
If you're behind it, step back away. He's going to back her up. 4240. She's an 81 18.4 38 rubber. 1116s on the front. 5,500 and a few hundredths hours. 5,509 hours. What? Tapping?
Can you do it on your boat or something?
Guys, they don't come any cleaner than that. She's all original. Got the adjustable front axle. 18.4 38 tires on. Just to show you kind of care out where you notice back behind under them hydraulic outlets, so many tractors you see have a little catch pan already specially made by Clarence to catch any oil that spills when you pull your hoses out. That's the kind of care the tractor's had. It sells complete just like you see sitting there. Don't know what else to tell you except she's all original and an 81 model. We give 25,000 on it. 25,000, give 20. I'm living 20,000 there. 42, 40, 15. I'm going to 15,000 there. I'm going to $15,000 there. Now I'm going to go 15 down, 10, 12, 5. I'm 12, 5, 15, 17 and a half. I'm Jim, you got to get around and see that other 5, 17 and a half. Now I'm 20. I'm on 20,000 here. Now I'm going to 20 and 22, 5. I'm on 20, but I'm going to 22, 5. I'm going to 2, now I'm going to 2 and a half. I'm on 20, 21. I'm on 21, 2. I'm 21, 2, 2, 2 here. Now I'm going to 3, but I'm going to 3, but I'm going to 3, but I'm going to 22 and 3. 22 down, now 3. I'm on 22 and 3. I'm on 22 here, now I'm going to 3. It's here to sell, guys. That's what we're here to do. So don't stand back on your haunches. Get right in there on that clean tractor. 22, 23. I'm on 22 and 3. I'm on 22 down here, now I'm going to 3, but I'm going to 3. 22,000, 23 for it. I'm on 22, now I'm going to 3. I'm on 22 down there, now I'm going to 3, 3, 3 here, now I'm going to 3. 23, now 4, now 4. I'm on 23, but I'm going 4. I'm 5. I'm on 24 here, now I'm going to 5, I'm going to 5, I'm going to 5, I'm going to 25. Now 6, now 26 down on it. I'm on 25, 6. I'm on 25 here, now I'm on 26 down there. 25, 26 down, 25, 5, Paul. 25, 5, now 6. I'm on 25, 5 here, now I'm on 26 down here, but I'm on 6. 25, 5, I have the half, 126. I'm on 26 down there, 6. I'm on 25, 5 here, and 6. 6 and a half. I'm on 26, 5. I'm on 26 here, now I'm on 26, 5 here, but I'm on 5. 26,000, 26, 5. I'm on 26 here, but I'm on 5. I'm on 26 here, now I'm on 26, 5, but I'm on 5. 26 down if you need a 4240 and a clean one. There's one for you. 26,000, 26,501. 26,000, 26,5. I'm on 26, Gene West, be ready. I'm on 26 down here, I'm going to go 5. I'm on 26 down here, now I'm going to go 5, I'm going to go 5, I'm going to go 5. 26,000, 26,5. Anybody else at all? If you come to buy it, get on, because it's going to get a new home in a second. 26, 26,5. I'm on 26 down here, y'all are done, y'all through. I'm 26 down here, but I'm going 26,5. Change your mind. 26.5, 26.5, still got it. 26.5, 26.5 and 9, 26.5 and 9. 26 out and going back here. Number. Tony Bum, you don't have a number? No number. Tony Bum. What's that, 19?